Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to autoplay piano in Roblox in 2024. Alright, let's begin. First, open your preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Auto hotkey. Click on the website that appears at the top of the search results and you will be redirected to the software's website. Here, click on the download button to download the latest version available. Once the download is complete, run the setup and install it in the default location. After installation, a dialog box will appear on your screen. Click on the New Script button at the top to create a new script named Autoplay Piano. You will be redirected to this newly created script. Move it to another folder, right-click on it, and select Edit Script. Open it using Notepad or any text editor. In the blank space that appears, get to this command and copy it. Paste the copied command into the script and save it. Close the script again, right-click on it, and select Run Script. After running, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Simply close it and run the script again. A dialog box will appear. Do not change anything here. Just paste any type of piano music into the music box. Once done, open the piano game in Roblox. The music will play when you press the F4 key, and to pause or stop it, press the F8 key. So that's basically how you can autoplay piano in Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.